What does the Carlon Long mango taste like? Here's a quarter next to one of the fruit here. Kind of give you an idea, it's really long, just as the name says. This is Thai variety mango. I'm gonna do this here with one hand. Let you know how this tastes. Looks nice and juicy. Very sweet, very smooth. Got a little bit of that musk flavor, Asian Thai sort of mango flavor. You can see how juicy this is. And one more piece here. Very sweet, smooth, delicious. Carlon Long mango from Thailand originally.